Okay, I thought I would. I've been making a few videos here and there for custom content for NWN Nights. I thought I would go back and try to do a series from start to finish. We'll see how it goes. Basically, to if you want to do custom content in NWN Nights, I've got a page here on NW or Neverwinter Vault. If you type in Tundon in the search here, you should find TO's custom content tutorials. I'm going to have to redo this page a little bit. I started on it and it kind of dropped off, so I'll go back again. But on here, you'll see where I've got the NWN Explorer. So you can click on, if you click on that and open it, yeah, I've got a lot of stuff open up here. I'm constantly working. I've got 2 screens and everything else. It's ridiculous. But here, NWN Explorer right there. You can download it. Gmax. You go here. You can click download it for free. Then once you do that, you click on here. You register it. It's free. You only got to put in your name and a couple other things, and that's it. And it gives you a code. Once you get this downloaded, you got the exe. You click it to install. It'll ask for the code at some point. You put the code in. It's going to ask you what type of settings you want to set through the process for like video or whatever. I just left everything at default, and I don't have a problem. I know someone else who did change it to one of the other settings, and there's crashes on them. So it is what it is. If for some reason you have a problem, there is 3 different settings. You just reinstall it again and try a different setting for you. Other than that, NWN Gmax is another one you'll need, which I have the link to it too. You go here, scroll down, 4G Max only. Pretty self-explanatory. Next, Vel's Tools. You click on it, scroll all the way down toward the bottom. This one right here, Setup. Vel's Tools 1, 2, 3 Setup. Click it and do the install for it. Once you've done that, you're set up to what you need for Gmax. There's to messing with Haks and Gmax. There will be some other tools along the way we'll get into, but for the most part, that'll get you started. Okay, so since that will get us started, bring up my list here. I've got NWN Explorer right here. Open it up. I've got a certain file I want to go for. I'm going to go to where I keep all my hacks. We'll just go here for now. This is the one I wanted to go after. I wanted to check out a tile in here. As you see, what I did was I opened up the hack. I'm just whipping through it and not explain it. I went to where the hacks, I downloaded a hack. All these I've downloaded. I like looking over other people's stuff and getting ideas. Now I've got the hack open. You got blueprints, which has got your ITP file in it. We'll go over that at a later point in time. It's got your door 2DA file. Again, we'll go over a later time. Edge tiles. This is your mini maps. This is your .set file. Okay, let's see. So this is your .set file. We'll go over that at a later time too. There's a lot of information in there. You have your models. You have your doors, walk mesh doors. You have your actual walk meshes for all your models. You have texture information. You have DDS. This is textures is what that is. It's just a higher grade of texture versus a TGA. And then you have the TGAs, which is your lower grade. These kind of consider these like high def, I guess, is in a way, and these are like more standard. So anyhow, we're going to go in, look for a model that I want. I already know which one it is. It's this one right here, I'm pretty sure. Or, you know, I'll probably go with a different one than this one. But if you double click on it, it's going to view it over here in the viewer. Okay, I've got it right here in the viewer. But I don't want this, so let's go with that's not the one I wanted. We'll go 2, 2, 1. That'll be more of a straight for now. You'll see. By matter of fact, I'll just do all 3. It'll make it easier. We'll export it. You find your folder you want to put it in. I'm going to put mine under. I made a water folder. I'm just gonna put it in there. So 111. I already had this one in there, but I'll do it again. I'm going to do this one here. Export. Save that one in the same place. Okay, so export. I did that one. What am I doing? Okay, and this one. So it was 2-1. Let's do 3-1. Export. And let's do 4-1. We'll go ahead and do 5-1. We'll do one of each here. And that was 7, 8. What it is A is the tile. So say this is a straight, which is 2. So therefore it'd be a 2 here where the 8 is at, because 8 is actually, it looks like 8 is a corner with a raised in the corner. So water on one end, water on one corner, and a raised area on another corner, and flat on the other 2 corners. So what it is then if you want another variation of this, so next time you don't want this tree here and you want a bush over here, then you name it, say 802 and then 803, and then you have different variations. So the more variations you have, then when it's populating the zone with them, it'll be more random and it won't look the same. If you have just 1, 0, 1 of everything, then every single corner is going to look the same. Every single straight's going to look the same, and so on and so on. So that's what that is. Just explain that. Okay, there. I got one of everything in there, or pretty much one of everything. I can minimize this now. We're setting at just over 7 minutes. So let's do. Let's go ahead and bring up Gmax. We'll open Gmax up, and you open it up with NWMax. The icon with it. Don't open it up with the actual Gmax. Open it up with NWMax. You won't have issues later. Okay, so this come up now. Since I have Vel Tools installed, it's going to load the Vel Tools window. It's going to load the NWMax window. And here's your Gmax window as well. When you load an object into here, you'll have the different views of it. You know, this is your front view, top view, this is a side view, and this is your 3-dimensional view. And see, top, left, and that's what that is. I'm going to cut the video here, and we'll be back in just a minute, and we'll actually get started in Gmax.